today I felt कि नहीं, I can handle all these things. I have learned so much in the past few days that now I am quite confident कि नहीं, मैं इस जर्नी को आगे लेके जा सकती हूँ.
Hi guys, my name is Ravi Chotyal and I'm from The Detailing Mafia. I'm heading as a GM for the North region. Today I'm at the inauguration of our The Detailing Mafia Paonta Sahib. Today I'm having Miss Amrita Seni, who is the franchise owner for us. So welcome to The Detailing Mafia, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
so
very
much for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
Best of luck for your journey.
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you,
so
sir.
much, ma'am.
Thank you.
सो अमृता मैम, मुझे आप थोड़ा सा अपने एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बताएं कि आज का इतना बड़ा दिन आपके लिए कैसा रहा so far?
So far, I was having lots of hiccups and I was very nervous. But जैसे जैसे दिन पास होता रहा, I was interacting with the guest also. So I felt very confident. And today I felt कि नहीं, I can handle all these things. I have learned so much in the past few days that now I am quite confident कि नहीं, मैं इस जर्नी को आगे लेके जा सकती हूँ.
Wonderful.
And I know, and because of all the support of such a great team of Detailing Mafia, these things have become much more easy for me to handle.
Wonderful, ma'am. And the kind of crowd what we got today and the kind of, the queries we got.
Yes.
I think this is tremendous.
Yes. Actually, yes. Even yesterday also we got so many calls, and I didn't ask them to come and have our services or anything. I just asked them to come and join us for our inauguration and see what we have done in the past, what we are giving you in the store. So they were here just to have the experience of all these things, and everybody was very excited. I'm very confident that they are going to come here for all the services and everything.
Wonderful, ma'am. We have multiple products, we have multiple services. Today we launched our store at Paonta Sahib. So मेरा next सवाल है, how did you came to know about The Detailing Mafia?
I can say that it's been now more than 4-5 years that I have been a very loyal customer of the Detailing Mafia Panipat.
That's wonderful.
It's like when we bought our first big car, a very luxury car. So we straight away went to the Detailing Mafia because we know that when you spend so much of money, you really want to take care of that thing.
Absolutely.
तो हम पानीपत गए, तो there even my husband, he went there, and जब उन्होंने वहाँ क्वेरी वगैरह सब कुछ की, तो then he came back and he told me about everything कि हम ceramic कराएंगे, we'll do this and that. That was the first time I came to know about all these things. Earlier I was not having any idea कि ऐसा भी कुछ होता है. There is anything like that कि ceramic करा सकते हो, आप PPF करा सकते हो. तो I really liked it, and when we got it done, so it was like my car is still brand new and it's here in the store
I've seen
only.
it. I've
Yes,
seen it.
and it's like हमने एजेंसी से अभी कुछ टाइम पहले ही निकाली होगी. There is not even any scratch or it's brand new. The color is not
Still
faded.
shining.
Yes,
Still
still shining. It's very neat and clean. Even we get our car washed in the Detailing Mafia only. We don't go anywhere else. So
Wonderful.
it's like जैसे perfection is in the detail, and I love the perfection. So that's why I chose the Detailing Mafia.
Wonderful, ma'am. So just wanted to know, curious about to know that why Paonta Sahib?
Paonta Sahib, actually it's a very small town. It's in the middle of Dehradun and Chandigarh, और यहाँ पर लोगों के पास they have luxury cars. They have everything. They want to do things with their cars. They want to experiment with their cars, but they don't have choices. Either they have to go to Chandigarh or Dehradun. So हमें लगा कि नहीं, यहाँ पर potential है. People really want to spend on these things. और हम उनको यहाँ पर सर्विस देंगे तो दे विल डेफिनेटली कम टू अस. उनको भी बाहर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. तो और उनको लग्जरी मिलेगी. ये सब कुछ अगर उनको एक जगह पर यहाँ पर मिलेगा, दे आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू कम. आई वुड लाइक टू गिव दिस मैसेज टू ऑल द पीपल in and around Paonta Sahib to come here in the store and have the luxury of all the car services in the Detailing Mafia.
मेरी तरफ से आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, मैम.
Thank you very much, sir.
So if you guys are in city, please do visit our store, The Detailing Mafia, Paonta Sahib. Let me tell you, this is one of the biggest store in Himachal Pradesh and the very first store, which is driven by a lady owner, and she is a real entrepreneur. Thank you so much.